Alright, welcome back to Packet Tracer. This is activity 151, observing and recording server traffic. So we're going to be just observing the way the traffic moves to and from the servers on the network. So we've installed servers containing sales and HR information at the access layer, and an internet web server and a DNS server in the server farm off of the core layer. So let's check out some traffic. First we're going to go to the desktop of PCHR2 and ping the HR server. So that comes back good. And then we can ping the sales server. And that comes back okay. And we can ping the web server. So that looks good. So now we're going to observe the traffic. So we'll switch to simulation mode. And when we hit the auto capture play, we should see this packet from HR2 going to the HR server and going back. Speed it up a little bit and let's watch it go. Up to the distribution 2 and to the HR server. So if we're counting the devices, it goes through 1, 2, 3. So a switch, 2 switches and a router to get to the server. So let's look down here. We can switch to sales. So now we have a packet going from HR2 to the sales server and back. So where is the sales server? It's all the way at the top here. So let's let that one go. There's 1 device, 2 devices, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 in between that. So it was 3 hops to get to, or 3 devices to go through to get to the HR server, and then 5 to get to the sales server. So let's switch to HR2, the web server, and we'll count the devices it goes through. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one goes through 4. So that is just looking at a little bit of server traffic and seeing where they're going. And we've noticed stretching them out like this and putting them in these areas can make it take longer to get to it, as we saw this one having to go through 5 devices to get to the sales or the web server, which could cause some performance issues. An advantage to putting them in the server farm is they'd be the same, or roughly the same distance from everybody. If you can centralize your server farm, then it would make it easier for everybody to get there faster. So that's something you can learn from this activity, watching server traffic. So that is it for this one. Thank you very much for watching.